Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter on a Honda Odyssey. We're going to start out by flipping down these two clips, and then there's also one on the back side. And then you want to grab a hold of the top of the airbox here, and you want to slide it towards the outside of the vehicle while kind of pulling up on it. And then the top comes off, but it's still connected there, so we're just going to kind of hold it out of the way when we take the air filter out. And I'm just going to grab a hold of this air filter, and I'm going to take it out, and then I'm going to place it up here to the orientation that I took it out. That way when I get the new air filter, I can check and make sure that I put the new one in correctly. And then take your new air filter, and I just got mine off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below of which air filter you're going to need. So just take it out of the package, and then we're going to take our new air filter and we're going to hold it next to the one we just took out, and that way we can make sure that it's properly aligned. Sometimes they're slightly different on each side, so we're going to check that. Alright, so that looks the same, and the back. Alright, so the back's the same. So yeah, the sides are different, so that's why you just want to make sure that you're checking how you're taking it out. So we're going to take it, and we're just going to take it and place it exactly how we took the old one out. Make sure it's seated down in there. And then this next part can just be a little bit tricky, but basically we want to make sure that these tabs here on the upper part of the airbox get fed into these holes right there. So to do that, you want to make sure that you would line up both of these tabs here on the front here and then also on the back. And then once they're lined up, you want to press down with one hand, and then with the other hand pick up on it and kind of slide it back into the tabs. And then you want to check and make sure they're both seated, and then when they are, press down on the top and then press the clips back onto the upper portion of the airbox. And that's it guys. That's how you replace your air filter. Thanks for watching.